welcome to another video. Today we'll be playing a game called, what's it again? Oh yeah, it was called, will you press the button? Let's try this. Add questions. Oh, okay, I know. Okay, so I get add, you can change your, no thanks. Yeah, I wonder. You became the smartest person in the world, but you can only... how about... What? Okay, never mind. Okay, let's do this. There's a 50 chance you will become immortal. There's a 50 chance you die immediately. But I'm immortal. How can I die? Oh my god, I didn't see the results because of Mama. Okay. You have all the knowledge in the entire universe. Nobody believes what you say. Yes. Okay. You're able to sing and dance perfectly, and you became famous. But you're never... yeah. They're not. Okay, never mind. You can play any song on any instrument perfectly. You're the only one who can hear it when you play. Yeah, that's what I thought so. You became a billionaire and no one likes you. I knew it. Okay. Your biggest fear disappeared, but you have to give it to your closet friend. Oh. Why? Fine. I knew it. You can walk on water. You can't swim. Yeah. You get a fully functional portal gun. Every time you fire it, a black hole somewhere in our universe. No thanks. I'll die. You get a picture in real life. It shocks you sometimes. I'll die. No thanks. What? Okay, fine. You get your dream job, but you never get any time off. What? I never get to eat? Okay, nothing. Yeah, that's what I think so. You live in the world of your favorite book. You are a villain. No thanks. What? That was close, actually. You either became a genius or you never can eat chocolate again. Yep. See, I told you. Your dream job is yours. You get scarily paid in chocolate bars. What? I hate that. No thanks. Yeah, that's what I think. You can read anybody's mind. You have to see everything we think out loud. What? No thanks. You are rich beyond your wildest dreams. You can only spend your money on others, not yourself. Oh. No thanks. Yep. Okay. You have 5 free pets of your choice. You lose any pets you had before. But what if it's Paige? I never get to see her again. What if I had a horrible pet dog? Yeah. Oh my god, seriously. You became the most talented musician in the world. You can't even earn any money from your talent. That's for fun, right? You have talent. But yeah. Okay. Which one? Wait, guys, just wait. Where? Which one? Which one?
Second that one.
9.9. 9.9.
There's another
9.9. Okay, why? Yep. You get your Hogwarts appreciated letter, but you have to give up all your electronics forever. No. What? No. Fine. Gain abilities to read and control people's minds. You can never use your legs again. That means I can just control people's minds and steal their body. Why not?
Wait.
No. People are crazy. Live happily ever after. You have to choose another person.
This one, how did they all?
No thanks. Go. Your father wins 5,000 in lottery ticket. Gave him. He doesn't share any of it with you. Why? Okay, that's just rude. My father wouldn't do that. So. Really? Seriously, guys, you're way idiot. You get the perfect body, you have to drink blood to make it that way. What? No thanks. Who did that? Who did that? Ugh. You can fly really fast. Every 20 minutes your family ability becomes disabled. No thanks. I would die. What? Oh my god. What did 20% did not? Like, you get to back to any moment of time from your past. You can't return to the present. No. People will press the button, right? Yep. Told you so. Okay. You serve as president of President's University. You have to spend 3 months in a wheelchair. Papa? Wait, guys, just wait a minute. Papa? Guys, this is it for that episode. Today, we'll be just doing 1 episode, and tomorrow, we will do more. Bye, guys!